Are you feeling overwhelmed by modern life? Everything seems louder, faster, more chaotic. What if the answers you're looking for aren't new? Meet the Philosophers Tome. It brings together 103 teachings from ancient Greece and Rome. Think Socrates, Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, and more. Each page offers short, powerful lessons. Gain resilience, calm, courage, and purpose. No dry philosophy here, just practical wisdom you can use right away. Want clarity, strength, and peace of mind? It's all in the Philosopher's Tome. You can apply these lessons immediately. Read it in moments and change your day. Join countless others finding serenity. Timeless wisdom made for today. Don't wait. Unlock your inner strength now. Get your copy today.